Let's learn Just Fly. It's choreographed by Hadisubroto, Fiona and Thompson Szymanski. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on the end of wall 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Just Fly. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot forward and slightly over our left and clap your hands twice. We're now going to step our left foot forward and slightly over our right and clap your hands once. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left. We're going to cross our right over our left. You now have choices for this sweep. You can either just sweep your left from back to front, keeping it flow on the floor, or as you sweep, you can kind of rise up on the ball of your right foot and kind of do more of a higher sweep. So you bring that left foot up and around, kind of lifting it off the ground. The choice is yours. In the demo, I came up and lifted around because it did match the music, but you can choose what works best for you. Weight is on your left. We're going to do it with some counts, starting with your step and double clap. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to cross our left over our right. Step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side. We're going to cross rock our left over our right, recover onto your right foot, and then you're going to do a quarter turning triple. Stepping your left foot to the left side, step together with your right, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our sweep, so you're going to cross over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to make an eighth of a turn over our left shoulder as we point our right toe into the 10:30 diagonal. Your body will be facing 7:30. You're going to touch your right next to your left, and then we're going to do a big step to the right, dragging your left toe into your right. You're now going to point your left toe to the left side towards the 4:30 diagonal, touch your left next to your right, and then do a big step to the left, dragging your right into your left, staying at that 7:30 diagonal. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your point, touch, drag, touch, making that 8 turn. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a toe strut with our right. And as we do this toe strut, it's going to square us up to the 9 o'clock wall. So you're going to step the ball of your right foot slightly to the side and forward and drop your right toe. We're now going to do a crossing toe strut. Touch your left toe across your right and drop your heel, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do a full walk around over our right shoulder. You're going to make that full turn, stepping right, left, coming back to 9 o'clock, and then you're ready to start the dance over again. What I like to do is have my crossing toe strut kind of start that turn and then finish it as I'm doing that walk around. It just kind of makes it flow a little bit better. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your toe struts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your step clap. So it's step, double, step, clap, side, rock, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter triple, 8, point, touch, slide, touch, point, touch, slide, touch, 8, toe, strut, cross toe, strut, full walk, 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 walk. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping with your right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 4, so you'll be facing 12 o'clock. The great thing, the tag and the ending are the exact same steps, So once you learn the tag, you also know the ending. So you'll be facing 12 o'clock. We're going to rock, recover with our right. As you rock forward with your right, you're going to bring your arms out to the side like in a wing motion. And then as you recover back, you're going to drop them. That is your full tag. So we're rocking forward. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. That is also what you will do at the end of the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our step double clap. So it's step, double clap, step, single clap, side, rock, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter triple, 8 point, touch, slide, touch, point, touch, slide, touch, 8 toe, strut, cross, toe, strut, full walk, 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 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, double clap, step, single clap, side rock, recover, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter triple, point, touch, slide, touch, point, touch, slide, touch, 8 toe, strut, cross, choke, strut, full walk around, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, do your tag, rock forward, recover, start over, step, double clap, step, single clap, side rock, recover, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter triple, point, touch, slide, touch, point, touch, slide, touch, 8 toe, strut, cross, choke, strut, full walk around, and then you will dance a few more rotations of the dance and do your ending that is the same as your tag to the front. So now that you've learned about the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Just Fly. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.